how does Monday, March 28th at 12 o'clock sound?
Will that work for you, ma'am?
Yeah, that works for me.
Okay. And Ms. Mahudo, ma'am, do you have an email address?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Mahudo, do you have mom's email address where you can send the call-in information?
I do not, Your Honor. She can state it for the record. That'd be great. Thank you.
Can you state it, ma'am? Just say it a little louder than you've been talking, okay?
My Miss MISS Brit BRITT1315 @gmail.com.
Ms. Mahudo, will you repeat that back?
I didn't catch all of it. I caught MYMISSBRIT.
2 T's for Brit, and then 1315 @gmail.com.
Was it NY as in Nancy or MY as in Mary?
As in Mary. My.
M as in Mary, Y. Okay, Ms. Mahudo, do you want to repeat that back kind of slowly?
Yes, Your Honor. M as in Mary, Y. M as in Mary, I. SS. B as in boy, RITT 1315 @gmail.com. Is that correct?
Did I get that, ma'am? Yes. Okay, and that'll be on March 28th at noon, and Mr. Boyd, you'll be able to attend that at Ms. Mahudo's request?
I cannot do the 28th. I was going to interject. The 28th is not good for me.
How about the 29th at the same time?
That's fine.
That work for you?
Okay. So Dad's meeting, and I'm gonna order that each parent's meeting will be separate. So, Mom is not to be on Dad's line on March 24th, and Mr. Moose is not to be on Mom's line on March 29th. And I'm going to take the written motion for change of case plan under advisement. Ma'am, was there anything else you wanted to address?
Yes, as far as Zachary goes with there was never ever a domestic violence charge from the night that he was taken into custody by DCS. There was never a domestic violence charge as far as filed, either reported or filed between me and Payne. Right.
Why did the police come? Who called the police?
Right. And then
you called the police.
I called the police that night.
Why did you call the police that night?
I called the police because I was upset at Stephen about something. There was nothing as far as hands thrown or violence. I was in my car the whole time.
Okay.
And then he left. And then the police showed up. And then they took Zach, and there was no police report given, done, filed,
okay.
or so. And so as far as in-person visits is why I'm trying to, bond with my son. His first birthday was yesterday. And to miss it is hard. So,
Ms. Mahudo, what is the reason that Mom can't have in-person visits?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Could you repeat that?
Is Mom open for in-person visits with Zachary?
No, Your Honor. She is having virtual visits with Zachary at this time.
Okay. So, ma'am, you're representing yourself. If you want to file a written motion telling me what you want me to do and why you want me to do it, you can do that, and I'll address that. But just like with the DCF piece of it, that I'm not going to let them address things that they weren't on notice that were going to come up today. The same applies to you. Even though you're not represented, you're still held to the same standard. So you can talk to Ms. Stillwell if you want. If you don't want to talk to Ms. Stillwell, that's fine too. You can file a motion and make your request so that you need to serve everybody else so that they know what you're requesting and they have an opportunity to discuss it with their attorneys and provide a response. We're going to be getting together a lot in the next couple of months for sure, so I'll have an opportunity to rule on those motions, okay, if you want to make that motion. Okay, anything else, ma'am?
No.
Okay, all right. the dates then. March 24th at 3, March 29th at noon, April 18th at 3, May 10th at 11:45, April 18th and 26th at 1:30, June 20th at 1:30, July 13th and 14th at 1:30, and then August 15th at 11:45. All right, thank you, everybody. Have a good week. We'll be seeing you soon. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.